Hey buddy, today in this video we're making chicken and bell peppers with black bean sauce. Let's begin. We have here 3 bell peppers all cut up. It was 1 red, orange, and yellow. We also have here 1 cup of sliced up white onions and also 1/2 cup of cut up green onions. The first thing what we're going to do is make the sauce. We need a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. There you go, that's 1/4 cup of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. There you go, that's 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. There you go, that's 1 tablespoon. If you can't find this stuff, a good substitute would be sherry cooking wine. You need 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's 1. 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. 1, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. 1, 2. And lastly, 1 tablespoon of black bean sauce. There you go, that's 1. Try to make everything all nice and even and blended. Okay, it's good to go. I'll put this to the side. Okay, next we're gonna slice up the 2 chicken breasts. Okay, we have it all nicely sliced up. We want it thin so it cooks faster. And we're gonna add some garlic salt. Turn it over, do the same thing. There you go. And lastly, we're gonna add some white pepper. Spread it out. You just want to put just a little bit, not too much. There you go, that should be good enough. We're going to take just a little bit of sesame seed oil and apply it onto the chicken. Let's say around a spoon with sesame seed oil. We're just going to mix everything all up. Okay, looking good. The next step is we'll need an egg. And take the chicken and put it into the egg and mix everything all up. Okay, the egg is nicely mixed in with the chicken. We're going to add around 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're going to add the first tablespoon first and mix it in. And 1 more tablespoon, so it makes it a total of 2 tablespoons. Make sure the cornstarch and the egg is all nicely mixed in with the chicken. It should have a nice thick consistency, and what this will do is it'll make sure that the chicken is nice and tender and moist. Okay, we're good. Okay, we're ready to cook the chicken. The pan is heated up. We're going to add some oil. We're using olive oil. Take the oil and make sure that it's spread out. Now we're going to put it in the chicken. We're going to let it sit a little bit and let it cook. We're going to stir them around a little bit. Cook them until they're nice and golden brown. Okay, the chicken looks like it's done. We're going to pick it up real quick. Here we go. And now we're going to cook up the onions. We have here 1 cup of onions. We're going to try and brown up the onions first. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic to the onions. Stir everything in. Next, we're going to add the 3 cut up bell peppers. Stir them around for a little bit. And next, we're going to add the pre-made sauce. Okay, we're going to put a cap on it and let it cook for a minute. Okay, it's been a minute, and now we're going to remove the cover. Stir everything up a little bit. And now we're going to add the chicken back in. Okay, it's ready. And now we're going to put it on a plate. Okay, the next thing what we're going to do is put some chopped up green onions on top. Okay, this is what we have today, chicken and bell peppers with black bean sauce. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.